Hi guys, I hope you're all well. Today I want to talk to you about choices, comparison, and believing you are good enough. Because these are three things that people keep reaching out to me about through Instagram and through my clients. And I thought I would just do a quick video on here today to talk about that with you. So, in life, sometimes it feels that we don't have a choice. In life, we feel that we are given a bad hand and that we don't have a choice and that we have to just live with this bad hand and just deal with it. And it's like, well, in reality, you can still create your reality. So yes, there may be hardships, but in those hardships, you can still make a choice. We can all make a choice today that's going to lead us somewhere else. We can keep going round and round in circles with excuses. I can't do that because, I can't do this because. And it's all because really we are comfortable with living in the comfort zone. And the comfort zone can be rubbish. The comfort zone doesn't mean it's going to be great. The comfort zone doesn't mean it's fun, amazing. It's just what we're used to. So in that way, we are making a choice to stay there. And it can come down to so many things in life. Wanting to start a new business. We can create an excuse. Oh, I don't think I'll be able to do that. Why? It's all a choice. You can make the choice today to do one little thing that's going to lead you down a better path, or down the path that you feel that you're happiest down, or down a path that will lead you somewhere else. If we don't try new things, we'll never know. In life, we have to try things in order to find out what we like and what we don't like and what lights us up. So in order to figure that out, we just need to take a chance. And that is a choice that we have to make. There are some things in our life that we can't control, of course, because I know there's so many things that we can't control, but the things that we can are our choices and the choices that we make. So always remember that you have a choice. If you want to go for something, find out a way of how you can. If things are a little bit more difficult for you, there'll still be a way. It just may take a little bit longer, or you may have to do it a different way. I've learned that with so many things because I've had to adapt in so many ways in my life, and all I found is there's always a way. Where there's a will, there's a way. It may just take longer, it may be a bit more difficult, but if you want something enough, you'll get it. And that can come down in every single aspect of your life. And so I just wanted to say about that quickly. And then I want to talk about comparison. So many of us look at other people and just think, oh, they've got it all together, why am I not like them? Like, they seem to have it all. And the truth is, it's funny because really, we have no idea. That person may be thinking it about you. And we never see ourselves in the way that others do. And it's time to start taking control and taking the power back and being empowered and just being like, no, I've got this. We don't know what that other person's really going through. That other person may look at us and be like, wow, they've got it all together. And it's like this cycle of negativity that just will keep going on because everyone will be thinking that they need to be as good as this other person, or this person has everything. But they may not be happy in other areas of their life. So comparison is a bit of a dream killer. It just doesn't serve you at all. It's a bit like judgment, because comparison is like judging yourself. And when you compare yourself, it's just like, what is the point? The energy is just not going anywhere here. The energy is not good. It's just low vibe. And it's just that you're not seeing your worth. And, there are reasons for certain things. And also, again, we don't know what goes on behind closed doors. Yet we're so easy to just be like, wow, why am I not like them? Oh, they're the same age as me, but they have so much. Well, look at how lucky you are. Like, think of all the things that you're grateful for and what you do and what you've done with your life. It's when we look from an outsider's perspective that we can actually see what brilliance we are. And that may be in so many different aspects, like even small things. That we're kind, that we're compassionate, that we have ideas and dreams and goals, that we are helpful, that we want to help people. There's so many things that, are amazing about each and every single one of us, and we're all unique. So it's time to start embracing ourselves and stop comparing ourselves, because comparison is just negative. And again, remember, you don't know what someone's going through. You don't know what goes on behind closed doors. You don't know what someone's life's really like even if they say it's a certain way on Instagram, okay? My battery's gonna die, so I'm gonna try and do this quite quick. And also believing you are good enough. You are good enough, guys. That used to be my question I used to ask myself. I used to always go, am I good enough? Can I do this enough? Am I worthy enough? And it's like, yes. It's always about bringing that power back and then just going with it, running with it. Doing your best, because doing your best is then good enough. As long as you've tried your hardest and you've done it from burning desire, you are good enough. And that's why you should believe in yourself. Because if one person's done it in this world, so can you. And if not, it's not your passion. And if you don't think it's as good as someone else, well, that's only on us. That's our own ego. It's not really you. You're doing it as best as you can. So just try. When you try, you will succeed eventually. And if you don't succeed in something that you're not that passionate about, then you'll find your passion. So you are good enough. We are all good enough. We are supposed to be here. It's a journey. It's a ride. We've just got to embrace it. And just to think, well, I'm just going to go for this. I'm going to make the leap of faith, take the leap of faith and try. Because that's all we can do. If we hold ourselves back, we won't get anywhere. But if we try at least we'll know. And you are good enough, guys. We all are. Stop comparing, stop thinking that you're not good enough. You are worthy of the world. You can achieve whatever you hope for, you wish for, you desire. Just start believing it. Start believing in you. Take one small step today that's going to lead you further to believing in yourself and your dreams, and make that choice. I hope you found this video helpful, guys. I'm sending you so much love, and I will speak to you next time.